All right. Okay, guys, you're welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add funds. Okay, you want to run ads, but you don't have funds in your ad account. Okay, I want to show you how to add funds in your ad account today. Okay, using your Facebook ad account. Okay, so when you open up your ads manager, remember your website you're going to go to is adsmanager.facebook.com. Okay, once you open up your ads manager and you are in this interface, okay, navigate to the left. Okay, click on these options and find where they say billings and payments. Billing and payments. Billing and payments. Okay, so this is where you're going to open to, and you will see that where it is. Okay, you can click here to add funds. Okay, or you can go to payment settings. Okay, you will still be given an option on where to add funds. So anywhere you click, it's still the same thing. So if you get to payment settings, you click add funds. Okay, what I want to show you is very important. So you can choose any amount of money you want to add. Maybe you want to add 20K, right? You want to add 20K. You want to add 20,000 naira. So now, do never ever choose this option, debit or credit card. Never ever choose this option. The option you're going to choose is pay you. Naira payment with MasterCard, Visa, pay you. So you're going to click when you choose that option, never choose this one. Always choose pay you. The second one, Naira payment with MasterCard / Visa, pay you. Okay. When you click on this, you click on next. When you click on next, so what is going to happen now is going to redirect you to another page where you are going to input your card details. Okay. Open Naira payment with MasterCard, Visa. Okay, you're going to click on this. It's going to redirect you to a pay you page. Okay. Now, PayU is a company that is partnered with Facebook to enable Nigerians to run ads. Okay, to enable sorry, PayU is a company that partnered with Facebook to enable Nigerians who want to run ads to pay with their naira. Right? So you click on continue. So it's going to open a new page. So this is a new page on PayU now. So you see pay you Facebook ads amount due 20K. So it's going to tell me to enter my card account. So don't be afraid, guys. Some people get to this point and they become afraid. They are afraid because they are thinking that once they enter their card money, once they enter their card number, Facebook will take, or rather, Yahoo boys will get hold of their card and then they will scatter everything. That is not the case, okay? That's not the case. So what you're going to do is to put in your card number. Those numbers are the front. This is the number you're going to put here. So I've put there are some card accounts here, but I'm not going to choose anyone. So you put your card number, you put your card holder name. Okay, when you put your card holder name, you put the month, you put the year, right? When you put this, you click on pay. Now it's going to tell you to put the CVV number. That is the CVV number is the number at the back of your card. That's the CVV number. When you put that number immediately, when you put that number, it's going to tell you to pay. You're going to click a button like this and you are going to pay the money, and the money is going to be deducted from your account and immediately reflect on your Facebook dashboard. So, but I'm going to close this. I don't want to put my card number because if I do this, everything is going to show here and the date and the expiry and everything. So I hope you understand what I just said. So it's pretty easy. I actually want to show you the option you are going to choose. Always use pay you. Don't use the first option, use the second option. That's if you use the second option, Facebook will not ban your account. You will put money into your account that you can use to run ads. Okay. All right. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.